Good evening, everyone. This side home. Today, I will share you the importance of patience. As we all think like patience is the word when we get peace, and we will think like when the things will work in our favor, so we will have peace. And one more thing I want to share with you, like when we are having patience, so we can reduce the stress. And one more thing, when we are having patience, so we can achieve our long term goals, because sometimes when things doesn't work in our favor, so we try to give up. But when we are having patience, when we are having good environment, when we think like everyone is supporting us, or in other side, if no one is supporting us, so we try to give up. But the person who is having patience, he can do everything in his life. I have seen the people, those are not having patience. They think like when I will do, how will I do. They are having two questions, when and how. So the answer I also do not have, but I just have the answer. When you will have the patience, so you will get everything. And when I saw the person who was not having patience, so he was having a sharp mind, like he was saying, I will do everything in this year, I will do everything in 1 year, I just need 1 year, I will do everything. But the person could not, because he did not have a kind of patience by that he could. So he fall down and he failed in his life. But I saw one more person who had patience. He took not 1 year, he took 2 years, and he did the same. He rocked the thing. So I just want to say, listening the patient word is very easy, but having when the compulsion come, when the things makes you cry, so it is very difficult to survive on that time. But I just want to say, having patience is necessary. So thank you.